What's up, YouTube, or whoever is watching? This is another Super Geeks production. The purpose of this tutorial is not to piss a bunch of high school students off and college students because you know how to get on the internet even though it's blocked. The purpose of this tutorial is for professors, teachers, and parents. As you may know, it's very annoying having students on the computer when you're trying to teach them. And as you may know, there's a bunch of ways to get on the internet even though you have it locked out. You could use a proxy, you could use another server, you could use a batch file, you could use DOS. There's lots of methods. This method I will show you here will do a couple of things to your computer that will make this impossible for students to do, unless they have extensive computer knowledge and can actually take environment tables and put them back inside of your computer's MMI code. So if you want to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to Start, right click Computer, go to Properties, click on Advanced System Settings, Environment Tables right here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come down here to System Variables and you're going to find Path. Okay, and then you're going to click on Edit, and then you're going to press backspace until everything's gone, and then you're going to just put a single period there. Okay, now what did that do? Well, if we go to DOS, command prompt if you will, and we try to do a ping, you will see now that ping is no longer recognized. This means that the environment table for the class path ping is no longer a command or executable under the command prompt. This will greatly help you in keeping your students from using proxies or DNS names, different DNS query names, to go to a website. Now let's go ahead and make sure it worked. Let's type in the word path, and now you can see our path is actually a dot, meaning current directory, which means there is no programs called anything under a current directory. Next thing you're going to do is type in the word set, and you're just going to double check the path right here, because sometimes in administrative consoles you could have two paths, and you're just going to double check that your path says dot. And that is it. Now your students or children will no longer be able to ping a website and go to it directly. You have manually locked out all right side of the NAT, which means network address translation. The right side of it's the internet, the left side's local. You've pretty much made them only on the local machine. There is ways around this, but you have to be extremely smart to get. So, once again, this is another Super Geeks production. Maneuvers and tricks learned here should be used in a wise manner, and you will be held accountable for all actions you do learning these tricks. Please feel free to subscribe, submit comments. Have a great evening.